We want to integrate 2x times sine of x squared with respect to x between x is 0 and x is pi by 3. Here we're going to let u be equal to x squared. Then du dx is equal to 2x, and so du is equal to 2x dx. If we now look at the limits, if x is equal to 0, u is 0 squared, which is 0, and if x is equal to pi by 3, u would be equal to pi by 3 all squared, which is pi squared over 9. Coming back to our integral, we have the integral from u equals 0 to pi squared by 9. The 2x dx can be replaced by du, and the x squared by u. We know how to integrate sine u. We get minus cos u, so we have minus cos u between 0 and pi squared by 9. This is equal to minus cosine pi squared over 9 take away minus cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, so this is 1 take away cos pi squared by 9, which is equal to 0.543 to 3 significant figures.